Page 313. Johnny Has Gone for a Soldier. It's another ensemble piece. They're giving you the melody, and they're giving you the chord sequence, the chord structures, and then you get to improvise the chords based on the patterns they're telling you. It's in 4 parts. The third part is the grand staff for piano, although the piano can play the other parts too, or some other instrument could play them. The melody, let's see what that is first. It's a common time or 4/4 time, and we appear to be in a minor mode, A minor, except we're not harmonic minor, we're natural minor, so you could also call that an Aeolian mode. Whatever. Melody is here. I don't use the fingering they're using, like in measures 5 and 6. I don't care for the 5's okay, but for that, that's just a chord. It's a broken chord, so that's fingering I use. I don't need to cut. If you're doing arpeggios, you got to do that, but I find this easier. And then 4, which it doesn't matter. I do 3, 4, 5, just because it's more fun. Second part, again, they're coming up here in broken chords, an A minor, E minor, F, C, E minor, C, A minor. I'm just staying in this area, but I'm doing the broken chord pattern. Here. And then that 8 VA over the last half note. That's sort of the second part. For the piano part, well, this bottom note's kind of playing the root of the chord. And it's here. Chord, broken chord. You get the idea? And the last part, again, you're just playing the root of the chord. 1, 2. Just playing the name of the chord, just playing that note. Okay, and just put it all together. So I don't know what it sounds like because I don't have enough people in me to do all that stuff, but hopefully you get the idea of what's happening here. As far as the speed and all, well, whoever has a melody generally will decide, but if you have a conductor or teacher, they can decide. Otherwise, the melody controls what's going on, and your dynamics and everything have to adjust to the melody. You'll see the dynamics they're giving are helpful, MF for the melody and MP for everything else. Even if they were to give everything else an MF, when you get together and rehearse, you have to adjust because you have to balance. That dynamic given in music is only a general guide. You have to fine-tune it when you get together and play together.